Hey, what's up guys, Samir from BSG Tech with another short video. And in today's short video we have Xiaomi's Mi A1 smartphone, and today I'm going to show you how you can boot into recovery menu or recovery on this device. Let me quickly show you that at the moment this phone has Android 9, and you can use this process on any Xiaomi device as long as it's on Android 8 or Android 9 or Android 10. The process is very simple, and for whatsoever reason you want to boot into recovery, so let's jump into the video and show you how you can quickly do that. Before we move on guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell icon button so you get all the notifications and upcoming videos straight into your inbox. So first of all guys, you have to turn off your phone by holding your power button. So let's turn off the phone first. So once the device is completely shut down, you have to hold the power button and volume up button at the same time, and when you hear vibration and see logo on screen, just release these two buttons and give it a few seconds, and the device will automatically boot into the first part of the recovery. So let's wait and see how quickly it can boot. As you can see that Android with the open belly and a triangle sign, so you have to press power button again and then press the volume up button one time. So there you go guys. As you can see that as soon as you hold volume power button and volume up button once, it will boot into recovery menu. Here you can use different options. You can do reboot system, you can reboot to bootloader. If you have a custom ROM or kernel to install, you can install update through ADB. If you are a developer, no need to mention that. Apply update from SD card. If you have an update and you fail to update from your phone, you can do a factory reset, and you can mount system, view recovery logs, and other options. This method works on all Xiaomi devices, starting from Redmi series, and you can also use these on A series, Pocco series, and the Lite series, as long as they are on Android 8, 9 or Android 10. So guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you have any feedback or comments, don't forget to leave in the comment section below. I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.